Hello my friend, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with push buttons or switches. In order to do so, we should create a new project. Select the path, the name of the project, here we should select the board. Here we should select core and a startup file. And our project was created successfully. We need to add a source file. The name is main.c. First step is to include our board. xx.h, then our main, we need a loop which is while, in this project my button is connected to PA0 and my LED is connected to PG13. So as you know, I should enable the clock for port A and G. Let's go to book, find the reference manual, in RCC register HP1. Let's find the port G and A. And in order to enable the clock for port A, we should put 1 in 0. So let's do it. RCC HP1, put 1 in 0 for port A. For port G, we should put 1 in 6. So we copy it in 6. And okay, my port G should be output and my port A should be input. So let's go for output. Go to GPIO, register, mode register. In order to make it output, I should put 0 and 1 in 26 and 27 because my LED is connected to PG13. So I should put 1 in 26 and 0 in 27. GPIOG, mode register. One in 26, and 0 in 27. And pin G13 as output. Then I should make my PA0 as an input because my push button is connected to that. In order to make it input, you should put 20 in 0 and 1. So let's do it. This is port A. Zero in 0 and 0 in 1. And remember that you can remove this code because the reset state of RPN is input. So writing it or not writing it is up to you. Alright. Here I should enable my LED and output data register. By putting 1 in 30. Then I should check the pin if my button is pressed or not. So this would be ideal because it's input. My pin is 0. So I need an if statement. Okay, by this piece of code, I will check if my push button, which is connected to port A pin 0, is pressed or not. If it's pressed, my LED will be on or will be enabled. If not, my LED will be off. So let's put some comment. Check the PA0. Enable the LED. Let's build it. No error, no warning. Let's go to option. Here you can change the clock. I want to 16 megahertz. My debugger would be ST-Link. I want to connect it on the reset. Okay, let's load it. And as you can see, when I press user button, my LED will be enabled. That means my code works properly.